Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This incomplete residential property with provision for an upper floor is situated on approximately 8,206 square feet of land and is 3 to 5 minutes drive from the town of Santa Cruz. Its exact location is on Kelly Crescent, Santa Cruz. It features open concept living, dining, and kitchen. It is also beautifully laid out and has a floor area of 2,758 square feet. It consists of 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, living, dining, kitchen, master bedroom ensuite with walk-in closet, laundry room, front, back, and side porches, double garage, and is grilled. Although the property is incomplete, it is habitable and occupied. The property features a variety of fruit trees and is enclosed on 3 sides. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 21 million or US $136.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.